Hridaya Vidyaniketan.
Good morning, dear children. Hope all of you are doing good. Today we are going to learn a new concept in maths. Listen carefully. Anita is my name. Also, I am a daughter to my parents, a grandchild to my grandparents, sister to my siblings, and for you, I am your teacher. That means I have a fixed name Anita. At the same time, I have different roles in my family connecting to my position. Anita as a daughter, a grandchild, sister, and teacher. Like this, our digits also have different types of values according to their position. They are place value and face value. Let us see what are the face value and place value of a digit. Look at the blackboard. I am writing a number. Read this number, 365. How we will read this? 365. In ones place, there is 5. In tens place, there is 6. And in hundreds place, 3. So, here let us see what is the place value and face value of all these 3 digits, 5, 6 and 3. The face value of 5 is, face value of 5 is 5 itself. 5 itself. 5 is in ones place, therefore the place value of 5 is also 5. Here in ones place, the face value of the digit 5 is 5 itself, and in ones place, the place value of the 5 is also 5. Then the face value of 6. 6 is in tens place. Face value of 6 is 6 itself, and face value of 6 is 6 itself. Place value of 6 is in 10th place. So 6 tens, that is 60. 6 tens means 60. Face value of 6 is 6 itself. Place value of 6 is 6 tens, that is 60. Then next, in 100th place, what is the face value of 3? Face value of 3 is 3. Place value of 3 is in 100th place. So the place value of 3 is 300s. 300s, that is 300. The place value of 3 is 300 and face value of 3 is 3 itself. Did you understand this? Let us see another example. Another number. Read the number 789. The number 789. Ones place, there is 9. In 10th place, 8. And in 100th place, 7. Tell me the face value of 9. Face value 9 itself. What is the place value? Place value of 9 is also 9 in one's position. Then next 10th place. In 10th place, what's the face value of 8? Face value of 8 is 8 itself. Then what is the place value? Place value is 8 tenths. 8 tenths means 80. The face value of 8 is 8 itself. The place value of 8 is 8 tenths. 8 tenths means 80. Then in 100th place, what is in 100th place? There is 7. What is the face value? Face value is 7. 7 is in 100th place. So the place value of 7. Place value of 7 is 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds. That is 700. Did you understand what is face value and a place value? Place value of a number. Face value of a number, the number itself, there is no change. Face value of a number is the number itself. The face value of the number never change. Did you understand what is face value and place value of a digit? Yes. Face value of a digit is the digit itself. Face value of a digit never change. So what is place value of a digit? Place value of the digit depends on the face value and the place in a number. The place value of a number changes with its position. Okay? Are you clear? See, the face value and place value of a 4-digit number. Going to write a number 4521. How we will read this? 4521. In ones place there is 1, tens place 2, hundreds place 5, and in thousands place there is 4. How we will write the face value and place value of this number? Here face value of 1. Face value of 1 is 1 itself. What is the place value of 1? Place value of units place is the number itself. Place value of 1 is also 1. Then in tens place, which number is here? 2. The face value of 2, face value of a number is the number itself. Face value of 2 is 2 itself. What is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 is 2 tens. 2 comes in tens place. So, the place value of 2 is 2 tens. That is 20. 2 tens means 20. Then the next number 5. What's the face value of 5? Face value of 5 is 5 itself. Face value of 5 is 5 itself. Then what is the place value? Place value of 5. 5 is in which place? In 100 place. Then how many hundreds are here? 5 hundreds. Place value of 5 is 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds. That is 500. Clear? Then in thousands place there is 4. Here also face value of 4 is 4. What is the place value? Place value of 4 is 4 comes in thousands place. That means 4 thousands are here. 4 thousands means 4 thousands. Clear? Like this we can write the place value and face value of a 4-digit number. Clear, no? One more example. $9,875. In ones place there is 5, tens place 7, in hundreds place 8, and in thousands place there is 9. What is the face value of 5? Place value of 5 is 5. What is the place value? Place value of unit place is always the number itself. 5 is 5. Then the next one, 7. What is the face value? Face value of 7 is 7. What is the place value? Place value of 7 is 7 tens. 7 tens means that is 70. Then in hundreds place there is 8. Face value of 8 is 8. What is the place value? Place value of 8 is in ones, tens and hundreds position. So how many hundreds are here? 8 hundreds. So the place value of 8 is 800. Clear? Then the last 9. Face value 9 itself. Face value of 9 is 9. What is the place value? 9 is in thousands place. Place value of 9. 9 thousands. 9 thousands. That is 9 thousands. Clear? Like this we can write the face value and place value of a 4-digit number. Then next we will learn the expanded form of a number. Expanded form of a number. Last we wrote 789. Already we learned the place value and face value of the digits of this number. The same number 789 we can write expanded form of this number. What is the expanded form? In ones place there is 9, in tens place there is 8, and in hundred place there is 7. So first we have to write 9 ones, 8 tens and 7 hundreds. So we can start with 700 plus in tens place 8 tens, that is 80 plus 9. This is the expanded form of 789. Expanded form of 789 is 700 plus 80 plus 9. Clear? Next 355. How we will write the expanded form? 300 plus 50 plus 5. How we got this? In ones place there is 5. 5 ones. 5. Then in tens place there is 5. 5 tens. 50. 300s. That is 300. This is the expanded form of 355. 300 plus 50 plus 5. Then next, a number is given like this: 400 plus 50 plus 6. This is an expanded form of a number. 400 plus 50 plus 6. Which number is this? We know 456. 400 plus 50 plus 6, we can write 456. This is a short form of the number. This is expanded form and this is short form. 400 plus 50 plus 6. In 400's place there is 4. In 10's place there is 5. And in 1's place there is 6. So the number is 456. One more example. 900 plus 80 plus 1. Which number is this? Yes. In 100's place there is 9. In 10's place there is 8. And in 1's place 1. So the number is 981. How we will read the number? 981. This is the expanded form and short form. 900 plus 80 plus 1. 981. Now we can learn the expanded form and short form of a number. Expanded form and short form. Listen here. The number 9875. You already know how to write the expanded form. Here is one example. How many places? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands are here. So 5 ones, 7 tens, 8 hundreds and 9 thousands. How can we expand this number? 9,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 5. This is the expanded form of this 4-digit number. 9,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 5. We can read that number 9,875. Clear? Okay. One more example. 2,512. How we will write? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. In thousands place 2. That means 2,000 plus. In hundreds place there is 5. So 500. 500 plus. In tens place there is 1. So 10. In ones place there is 2. This is the expanded form of a 4-digit number. Also, we have to learn how to write the short form of a expanded number. See example. Given 7,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 1. How we will write the number name? 7,000. So in thousands place there is 7. 300. In hundreds place there is 3. In tens place 4 and 1. 7,341. This is a short form of the expanded number. 7,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 1. We can write 7,341. One more example. 5,000 plus 20 plus 3. How we will write? In thousands place there is 5. Then next it is given 20. That is in tens place. So in the hundreds place there is nothing. So here we have to add one 0. In hundreds place there is 0. In tens place 2. And in ones place there is 3. This is the Expanded form of the number is this 5000 plus 20 plus 3. That short form of the number is 5023. Clear? Then we will try to write after, before and between numbers. First we will start with a 3-digit number. Okay? You know how to write the number comes after, before and between. Number comes after 356. Which number comes after 356? 356 plus 1, that is equal to 357. You know this, isn't it? So the next one is 4981. Which number comes after 4981? 4981 plus 1, that is equal to 4982. Clear? The next 5399. Which number comes after 5399? We have to add 1 to this number. 5399 plus 1. If we add 1 to this number, 9 plus 1, 0. Carry 1, 9 plus 1, 0. Again 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 4. Then next 5. 5399 plus 1 is 5400. So, the number comes after 5399 is 5400. Clear this? Let us see. The number comes before. Number comes before a number. Number comes before. $299. The number comes before is, how we will get the number? 299 minus 1. If we subtract 1 from this number, we will get 298. So the answer is 298. For getting number comes before a given number is, we have to subtract 1 from 299. 299 minus 1 is equal to 298. Next, number comes just before 4568. How we will find? 4568 minus 1. If we subtract 1, what we will get? 8 minus 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. 4567. For getting the number before a number, we should subtract 1 from the given number. One more example. The number before 5000. But we will get 5000 minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. Here is also 9, 9, 4. But we will get 4999. Clear this? Okay. So the next one is, the number comes between two numbers. Number comes between two numbers. 299 dash 301. If we add 1 to this 299, we will get 300. If we subtract 1 from this 301, we will get 300. Like this, 4985 dash, what will come here? 4987. So, what's the missing number here? 4986. 4986. Clear? So, one more example. 9783 dash 9785. The missing number is, for getting that missing number, we should add 1 from this number, 9783. If we add 1, 9784 will get. Clear all this? Okay. Now, you have to open your textbook, page number 8 to 13. 8 to 13. Do the textbook exercise related to the topics that we studied today. Thank you.